Alright guys, so my first video of Sema was all about like car wraps, PPF, stuff like that, and a bunch of supercars. Now we're going to go check out some bunch of other stuff. I really don't know exactly what we're going to see, but we got these pretty awesome earth roamers right here behind us, and holy cow, these things are insane. Alright guys, so there are some pretty crazy cars here, and then also golf carts. So I have my sister here, Sarah, so as size reference in that last golf cart, like, oh my gosh. But then we also have a Louis Vuitton Razor up ahead and another crazy golf cart, so definitely check these out. All right, so this wide body Porsche slant nose is absolutely insane. Like, look at how wide this sucker is. Also, you come around the back and like you can see the original, kind of like the original body sticking out in there. But it's kind of like what the Porsche 935 did with the recent model. But let's go ahead and look at the front of this. It still has the original slant nose look. Also, the inside looks very traditional. But man, this is absolutely insane. So let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. But oh my gosh, this is like one of the craziest Porsches I've seen when it comes to classic Porsches. Also, the wheels look nice, and also these little nubby mirrors for aerodynamics. Like, that is crazy. All right, so I saw this 350Z and saw the crazy engine in the back, which looks absolutely insane. Got the turbo. Also, you have a hitch for a fifth wheel, which is wild. But then look at the crazy wide body, and then you come around to the inside, looks insane, and then you're like, oh, there's another engine with another turbo setup. So yeah, this is like a dual engine, and this thing is absolutely insane. Look at this wide body on that. Like, oh my gosh. You can see the original door and then how wide these fenders are. But also dual engine, dual turbo. That's crazy. Alright guys, so I'm kind of in the shade a little bit, so that's why the lighting's weird, but we got a beautiful lineup of LBWK cars. We got 4 R35 GTRs, and we got a crazy wide body 720S, so definitely let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of these cars, but they look absolutely insane. Alright, so all of these cars are absolutely insane. Like the amount of like detail in that, the Creative Bispoke, man, these cars are gorgeous. Just look how crazy these are. Also, just the way that this color is, it's just kind of hard to like really comprehend what you're looking at. Also, the beautiful carbon fiber work, but then you come over to this Aventador, which looks absolutely insane. The body kit almost makes it look like a Centenario on the back, but man, this thing is crazy. Like I said, that beautiful carbon fiber work, and then also the way that paint fade is on that carbon looks so good too. Man, this thing is absolutely insane. But yeah, put down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. Also both of these, or even like this entire booth. Because even like this Huracan is absolutely insane. Like, look at this thing. Like, it is crazy. Got a pretty cool looking roof scoop as well. The whole rear end, wide body, got that huge duckbill that kind of comes up there. Beautiful carbon fiber, but then also a Sena, which this McLaren Sena is just absolutely beautiful. The attention to detail. And this exhaust is like the craziest exhaust I've ever seen on a Sena, and that is just absolutely beautiful. But let me know down in the comments down below which one of these cars is your guys' favorite. And I think, I don't know, it's kind of hard to decide because they're all just absolutely crazy cars, and then they're all crazy modified. Also, I really like how that blue stripe comes down, even continues down onto the engine, and then down the back of the car. Alright guys, so this is probably the craziest car I've ever seen as a 5.7 V12, the 612 TR Topista, which you would obviously see the engine right there. The thing looks absolutely crazy. Man, this is just wild. Also, like, look at the body work right here, all the crazy carbon fiber right behind these rear fenders. Also, the way the exhaust comes out right there, it goes down the side of the car, and it comes right out in the side skirt there. That is amazing. And then there's even some text right there on the inside. Man, also the interior is absolutely insane. Let me know what you guys think of this. Also, just the attention to detail. Like, look at those uprights right there. Those are crazy. Man, this car is absolutely wild. The back end, that diffuser is just insane. The spoilers is also really crazy. But then also look at the fuel gauges. Like, these things are so insane. And then these wheels are just beautiful as well, the HREs. Man, let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this, because this is probably one of the craziest things I've ever seen. And man, I don't even really know what to say about this. It's just wild. Yeah, there's like that front fender with the carbon fiber. All right, so this right here is going to be an upcoming Hot Wheels. It's actually the Hot Wheels Elite 64, and man, this is actually crazy seeing it in person. They even have one sitting on the dash right there, which you can kind of see it. Let me show you through the windshield. But this is really crazy. But then right over here we got a crazy Liberty Walk 720S, which looks absolutely insane. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video right here, but if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit the like button down below, and there will be a lot more coming, so definitely hit the subscribe button so you can stay tuned. But so far this is crazy. Let me know down in the comments down below though, what car is your favorite, and also like what else do you guys want to see. Well, I guess it's kind of too late for that, but definitely, like I said, check out all the other videos that are on my channel and will be coming out soon. But definitely, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.